So this is the before and this is the after. Hey guys, Gonkish here, making more videos again, and today we're going to be testing out 303's metal polish. So without further ado, let's get to it. So here's the actual 303 metal polish, guys. It says it cleans, polishes, seals, and restores. It's a 4-in-1 kind of deal. I got it online because it was really inexpensive and also had really good reviews. And apparently it removes rust and corrosion, prevents scratches, and also restores shine and luster. And it's safe for all metal surfaces. And like I said, the reviews were really good on this bad boy. And for me, guys, I will be using it on chrome, but you can use it on all types of metal. Obviously, not only your vehicle, but obviously this is a 303 product, so it's a car product, so I'll be using it on my vehicle right here. Now on the Genesis, there's not much chrome. There is a silver trim, but it's not chrome. The only chrome that's actually on this bad boy is right here. And let me bring it really close and show you. If you can see, as you can see, this is supposed to be completely clean, nice chrome right here. However, you can see how dirty and dark it is. You can kind of see it right here too. It's kind of dirty, dingy, dark. And so this, I want to make it completely nice and clean chrome, right? And you can't just take it off with your hand. I mean, you'll probably be going at it for a long time, so that's why you need some type of metal polish like this to remove it and restore the shine. And on many tips, it is a chrome metal, you know, like so, and you can see it right here too. You can see the dirt even more right here. All kinds of dirt builds up on there from the exhaust, okay? So let's actually set this camera up and let's get to actually restoring that shine. It doesn't look too bad, but I want to make it even shinier. So here we go. The instructions are really clear on the 303 metal polish, guys. You shake the product well, apply a small amount to a microfiber towel, and I got one right here. Work it into the surface, let it dry 1 to 2 minutes, then brush the product off with another towel, and then reapply as needed. So first off, I'm gonna obviously shake this bad boy up. Let's pop it open. This is brand new, so make sure you take off the seal right here. Ooh, look at that. Very thick and clumpy stuff. Yeah, let's throw this away. Put some on a microfiber towel like so. I'm just gonna put a little bit for right now and then work it in just in one spot. And let's actually just, you know, kind of work it in to the one area. I just want this area right here because it's the worst, and let's just, you know, rub it in. All right, I rubbed it in, and now what it says is to let it haze. So I'm letting it haze for about a minute. Look at all that dirt, guys. That's insane.
Your timer is set for 1 minute.
There we go. I'm just gonna do exactly 1 minute. All right, we're almost done right here, guys. Definitely super white and hazing. Let's see how it turns out. All right, there we go. So you take a clean part of your towel. I'm just gonna take a clean part right here and just wipe it off. Alrighty, guys, let's look at this. You can definitely see how much cleaner that actually looks, and it's so smooth now. And if I take my finger and I do this, there's no more blackness on there or anything like that, and it already looks so much cleaner. It looks, you can see that I didn't use it on here, and it's so dark right here, and you can see how clean the chrome tip is. Now what I'm going to do is do it for the entire chrome tip right here, and let's see how it looks. So this is definitely the before right here, and let's see how the after will look. Now I'm going to let it haze for about a minute, and let's see how it looks when I take it off. All right, now let's wipe this stuff off. I'm actually deciding to use a brand new towel just in case, so let's see how it actually looks. Oh. Alrighty, guys, look at that. Already looking a ton better. You guys saw that before. Obviously, if you want better results, you're gonna have to use more elbow grease to push it in there. As you can kind of see right here, still kind of dirty right here. So I'll be using a little bit more elbow grease and trying to get it off and get it done. Now, this is obviously better than just soap. It has a little bit of grit to it, and that's why it does work well. Now, if you do get some on your paint or anything like that, I did get some on my paint. It's perfectly fine. You can just wipe it off. It's not gonna do any damage. Just don't rub it into your paint, obviously. But yeah, it's not bad. And you can see this is the before, guys. I actually cleaned this about 9 months ago, so that's why it looks fairly clean. I cleaned both of them, but if you don't clean your tips, they get really black and stuff. I mean, everyone that has a car knows about the black carbon buildup that happens on these tips, and keeping it clean just makes it look a lot better. So let's do a snapping before and after with this bad boy. So this is the before and this is the after. There we go. Look at that. I mean, you can see all the black is gone. Let's go back one more time. So this is the dirty, and this is the after. So this time I actually put a little bit more elbow grease in it. It looks pretty close to brand new and a lot better than before. There is some more brown stuff right here. You can kind of see it. So it doesn't take off everything, but for the most part from far away, this is going to look absolutely beautiful. Let me go to the other side. And as you can see, it just looks much, much better. Obviously, if you have darker than this thing will take it off, but just know if it's super embedded, it might not take it off unless you use a polisher. So I wanted to do this obviously using just my hands, microfiber towel, and it does get for the most part everything off. You can even see how much clear and how much shinier that actually looks. You know, in real life it even looks much better, trust me guys. If you look back in the video, you'll see how dark it was, and now it just looks, it just pops out. It seriously just pops out. It's not dull anymore. And let me go to the other side, guys. As you can see, it's not dull anymore at all. So it pops out. And obviously if you want it to look completely even more shinier, you're gonna probably most likely have to use a rotary device, some kind of tool that actually, you know, does the applying process, you know, automated instead of your hand just, you know, rubbing back and forth. It will obviously do a lot better. But like I said, I wanted to do this just by hand and I wanted to see how it works. And I gotta give it a decent score, guys. It's not bad. It gets the job done, and that's why it has good reviews. Now I know it cleans, polishes, and restores. I'm not too sure how well it seals though. Obviously that with time that we'll find out. I'm sure for the most part, for a month or so, it will do a good job of sealing, but time will definitely tell. So I'll leave the link to this bad boy in the description section of the video below. I think it was a good buy, especially because especially on my car, I don't actually have that much chrome anywhere. I will be using this on the Highlander as well to, you know, clean out the tips, especially for the tips. This works really well. So this will last me a long time. So I definitely think this is a good buy. I'll also leave the links to the microfiber towels in the description section of the video below. Amazon microfiber towels are not the best quality. However, they're cheap enough and you can just, you know, continue buying more if you need to. 303 are definitely the best quality. The price is kind of on the high end. I don't like that, so I don't try to get the 303 brand, but I'll, you know, leave it in the description section if you want it as well. They are definitely a better quality. I just don't like the price that much. But yeah, I'll be testing out different products and stuff from Amazon, Walmart and stuff, just to see how it works without using any tools and stuff. Just simply just using my hands and seeing how they work. But yeah, that's pretty much it for the video, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed it. The chrome tips on my vehicle definitely got an upgrade. They definitely look a lot better than the beginning of the video. And with that being said, there should be a subscribe button and also a video button popping right here. Make sure you click on for more videos in the future. Other than that, guys, can you just share saying thanks for watching and peace.